So it's currently 6:30 AM. If you're wondering why I'm up, we need to go and get my dad, aka Mark. And we're going down to Stoke today because we're going to drive some nice fast cars. I'm going to try and capture as much as I can on camera. I'm even going to see if we can get some drone shots. I'm going to make a brew now. I'm going to get in the car, head to my dad's, and I will check in with you then. So I've just pulled up outside Dad's. Let's go and wake him up. Don't look on the door too hard, mate. Ooh, fancy. Look, there's a line through it. What have you done?
ST18 9QE.
That is the weirdest queue I've ever seen, mate. Time, Dad. Just be a child for the day. That's your seat. We're early, aren't we, mate? Yeah. Can you say hello, please?
Hello, please.
So, I would just like to highlight anything further on in this video. I'm not a professional racing driver. I've never drove on a track in my life or an airfield, which is what this is. Anyone that comments on my bad racing lines or missed gear changes, I'm a learner, just like I am building a car. Anyway, I'll shut up and let's get back to the episode. The dilemma, guys. I asked about using the drone. They won't let me. Slight camera malfunction with the action camera. It stopped working, but I managed to format the SD card by putting it in the drone.
That's the oddity in this car, particularly the very offset. Yeah. So you've got to be aware of that. So your left foot stays right over there, right foot does brake and accelerator as normal. Because I can't see the telltale, I'd ask you to only change gear when I tell you, because then I can keep track of which gear you're in. Right. Okay. And then I know whether to tell you to go up more or down more. Good. You ready to go? Pick the throttle up, going straight on. So, yep, away you go. Straight on. Yeah, there is a bit more brake. Yeah, that's the power on. Indicates.
How was your 50th birthday present, Dad?
Very good, thank you.
That was booked 10 months late.
Just set my glasses off, so you got the good side.
The good side, shut up. So we drove, if you didn't see, an Audi R8, Lamborghini Gallardo, a Ferarri 360 Spyder, and we also had a passenger ride in a Lotus Elise. Out of all of them, I think the R8 was the nicest to drive, but the best sounding was the Gallardo because it was a V10. What's your comments?
I liked the Audi R8 and the Ferrari was nice because I did the California, didn't you? Did the, which one did you ride?
This 360 Spyder, yeah, you did the California, the newer one. The 360 Spyder, you've got to be a pro to drive that. Yeah. So what we'll do now is we'll compare driver score ratings. Right, so first car, Ferrari. Bearing in mind it was two different cars, so he had the easier one to drive.
Mine says Ferrari California, well done, good smooth drive.
What percentage?
86%.
Oh, I got 84, which is like top trumps. But it says something, if someone can translate that top one, I have no idea what it says. Then the next one, of course, the R8, what I drove. So what did you got in your R8?
I got superb pace, good car control.
I got smooth and fast, good pace.
Right, what score did you get?
88%.
89.
Oh, that's not fair. Well, he's won. It's 2 out of 3. So Lamborghini.
Great drive. Great drive.
I got good drive.
What percentage did you get?
89%.
88.
Oh, so I beat him on one. He won.
Overall, I won.
Just goes to show experience beats tear arsing.
Man and boy.
Right, so that's an early morning finish. We're going to head somewhere now, make the day of it, and which will probably involve beer.
Definitely.
Let's head up the M6.
Happy 50th birthday to me.
So there we go, we're going to go to Mini Sport.
Oh, you could go Huddersfield near to us, when you got to go past Aston, you're there, aren't you?
Change of plan, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Huddersfield Mini Spares. There's some minis there, so I'll show you something else, a bit more inspiration. That pickup is just wow. It's left-hand drive. Mini palm. That is literally a replica of our mine. 13x8. Anyone asking, they're the wheels that I want to go for. Let me know what you think. Rain.
All these here are the names of the people that died in the Manchester bomb.
Let's have a look.
See there? Everybody's name there. There's 22 people there, I think.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
So guys, I'm going to wrap up this video there. I don't want to go on too much. I just thought I'd throw this out as a little bonus episode to yourselves. The stuff we got from Huddersfield Mini Spares, all the stuff that is required for my next mini episode, which will be filmed today when this is released. Someone keeps asking me how long do I spend on these videos editing. Got to say, minimum one episode is at least 8 hours editing. I hope you guys appreciate that. If you're new here and this is the first video you've watched, please check out my other videos. It'd be much appreciated. Check out my website, totalcarreviews.com. More stuff coming soon, especially these hats. They'll be going on sale soon. Go over to gofundme.com, search Total Car Reviews, have a read, have a think, see what you think. If you've made it there and you don't want to donate, perfect. I'm glad you just had a read. Apart from that, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one over the weekend. Thank you. Goodbye.